Okay, here's my next project. I'm gonna make a sign for a guy named Mike. Load that. It's a DXF that I created with Inkscape, just like most of the ones I've done. The width on this needs to be 16 inches. Uh, 16 inches. And that looks good. Oh, and I need to zoom out a little bit. So I need to change the cut order it from inside to outside, and then I want to look at the lead-ins on all the cuts. I think the ones for the fish shape are going to be too long. One on the outside of the circle looks fine, so I have to go through each one of these ones with the fish shape, and I'll probably change them to the center cut. Be a little bit of a blowout as a cut starts, but they're very narrow, so I think that's the best thing to do. So I'll go through each one of those, and then the letters look like they're going to be fine. So let me go through each one of these fish shapes and set the cut, and I'll bring you guys back after that, because otherwise it's going to be boring. That one was alright. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got them all set up the way I want them. All the letters are cutting from inside. The fish shapes are all cutting from straight on the line, so I have to deal with that. And the outside circle cuts from the outside, so I think that's what I want. And should be able to exit. I'm not gonna, yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Alright, so should be able to run a test with this. Turn the torch off and see what it does. Ran through the dry run and it seemed to work fine. Turn on the torch and it's just metal, right? Let's see what happens. So after cutting this mess, I decided I needed to replace the consumables on my torch. So my prime weld cut 60, IPT 60 torch, and I twisted the electrode off in the end of the torch. I'm done for the day.